Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to freeze in Excel. So to understand very easily how to freeze in Excel, what we have to do is we have to select any cell. Suppose I select cell B4. So I want to freeze all the rows above my cell B4 and all the columns to the left of my cell B4. Then I just select cell B4 and go to the view. In view, go to freeze panes and select freeze. Now all my columns to the left of cell B4 are freezed and all the rows above cell B4 are also freezed. So I'll just show you quickly. So when I scroll to the right, my column A is freezed, and when I scroll down, my rows are freezed. So this is the easiest way to freeze columns and rows in Excel. So I hope now you understand that we have to select a cell, and after selecting a cell, we have to click freeze, and then all the rows above that cell and all the columns left to that cell will be freezed. Similarly, now if you have to unfreeze, I just select unfreeze. Now my rows and columns are not in a freezing state. Similarly, if I have to just freeze cell, uh, just freeze the top row, then what I do is I select cell A2 and click freeze. Now my top row is freezed, and since there are no columns to the left of cell A2, there is no freezing in columns. So if I scroll, you see there is no freezing in columns, but if I scroll to the bottom, we see the first row is freezed. So I hope now you understand the concept of freezing. So how easily we can freeze rows and columns by just selecting the cell and clicking the freeze. I hope this helps you, and let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions. Have a good day. Bye bye.